Now when it comes to proper maintenance of your baits, whether it's your knot maintenance or hook maintenance or split ring maintenance, all of these things are final connections between you and the fish. And you know, even though I've caught probably 25 fish on this Ember, you can see up close the amount of teeth marks on this thing. The hooks are in relatively good repair, but I'm still going to change them out. But I'm also going to do one thing here, is I'm going to upsize them just a bit to a size number 5. These are like a small 6, and I want to go to a 5. I'm going to go to the VMC Redline hook, which is a fine wire, which means it's not going to upset the balance, the suspending balance of the bait, and that's really, really critical. So I'm going to just grab my other hook, and I'm going to slip that on with my split ring pliers. It's going to be slightly bigger, this hook, but it's going to offer me better hook and land ratio, and it's not going to change the action of this Ember, which is critically important. Sometimes when you tend to put on heavier hooks, you end up screwing up the bait's action. Especially with suspending baits, you'll see there's tendencies for them to sink rather than float or suspend properly. But by going to that one size bigger and that fine wire vanadium steel, I don't affect the action or the movement or the suspending of the bait. I just give myself a better chance to get a more solid hookup than when I'm having the smaller hooks.